To continue in the same series, technology literacy is the most important skill of this century, this decade, and many decades to come. What we actually understand by technological literacy is that it is the ability to understand, evaluate, use, and adapt the emerging technology across life and work. Things are changing, technologies are emerging. Newer and newer platforms are evolving every day. You have AI today, uh, you have uh, multiple choices amongst blockchain technologies. You have AR and VR, you have NLP, and so on and so forth. How do you adapt the emerging technologies across life and work? This goes beyond tool uses to include ethics, logic, and innovation ecosystem. Innovative ecosystem is here to last, and not for just for people who are technocrats. It is basically professional requirement for all professions: doctors, engineers, teachers, professors, even businessmen. What to do is to prepare every individual for adaptive growth, inclusive growth, so that they can adapt to the new circumstances and also be included in the new scheme of things. Now, we are going to strategize or summarize the strategies in the following slides. Uh, these are 10 different points in numbers. Now, what you need to do is develop foundation for technological fluency using emails, cloud tools, and collaborative platforms. Understand systems properly, algorithms, and data flow for holistic digital awareness. Critically consume digital media and identify misinformation. This is today. Uh, Everything is flooded with misinformation. All social media, including YouTube, including WhatsApp, X, or whatever it is. Using this information effectively is very important. And then, of course, next place is applying technology across domains through interdisciplinary thinking. Now, don't confine yourself to one type of thought. Increase your domain of thinking, increase your range of thinking, increase your capacity to think. And ultimately, embrace continuous adaptation to emerging technologies. Uh, Technologies will keep changing every day, they will not remain the same. Today, we are operating on simple computing, tomorrow, we'll be operating on quantum computing, where the speeds will be multiplied a billion times. We'll have to adapt to that. Now, when we talk of technology, AI, and data integration, we need to understand AI basics, machine learning for informed collaboration, then using AI tools for productivity, creativity, and decision making in all aspects of life. Ethical awareness is necessary in evaluating bias and outcomes. And what you need to do is to build literacy through visualization and analytics. What you need to do is to foster a responsible, secure digital citizenship. Just don't use data for the sake of data, use it for society. Now, what you need to is to design accessible and inclusive digital environment for all users, include as many people as you can, bridge digital divide through equitable structure and policy, adopt green tech practices to reduce carbon and e-waste impact. In fact, when data is generated by any of these AIs like ChatGPT or Program, A lot of energy consumption and water consumption is there when you talk of even generating one sentence. It is causing havoc to the quality of life on Earth. Integrate ethical and cultural perspective into technology design. And what you need to do is to promote sustainability through technology and resilience initiatives where people become more resilient to these changes. Human AI collaboration and co-evaluation is, is the future of society. So what you need to do is to engage in lifelong learning and technological reinvention. Now, you have to balance the human creativity, the human emotion, and human judgment in a context. Uh, Instead of consuming technology, co-create technologies. That is important. Create technology along with the current technologies. And what you need to do is to encourage democratic and ethical tech governance. The world is at a question at this point of time. A lot of non-ethical practices are emerging. The world is on war. Almost every country is fighting every other country one way or the other. We need to be more prudent while doing all that and ultimately co-create human, inclusive, and flourishing digital future for society. Thank you very much.